Hey guys, I'm John. This is the Monster Illuminessence Smart Digit RGB light panels, and the channel is JS Techie. Okay guys, so this is very similar to the prism monster lights I looked at earlier. The main difference is the shape and the size. These are a little bit smaller, and they don't connect to each other with a little tab. They actually use a cable, a USB-C cable, to connect to each other. So it does give you a little bit more versatility with the shapes you can do. You do only get 3 in this pack, and then you get 1 control hub, similar to the prism light, but different in the way that it's actually part of the cord. Like as you can see in this picture here, it is kind of obnoxiously placed, so that can be fun. There's a, I don't think I like this as much as the prism, but I decided to try something a little bit different. This is slightly cheaper than the prism. I think this is, honestly, it's $40 instead of $60. But we're just gonna open it right here. Like I said, I'm still mid-move. I'm not moving yet, so, but I don't want to set something up just to have to take it down and move. So, okay, come on. All right, here's the box. Ooh, very strong plastic smell. So these are what the cables look like. As you can see, they're just USB-C cables. They do plug in a very special way. So it was on the side. Here is the controller right here. It does have some buttons. Then a little clicky. Here is a power brick. Set that off to the side as well. And then we get some designs, quick start guide. And here are the prisms. As you can see, these are significantly smaller. I'm sorry, this is the digits. They're significantly smaller than the prisms. I think the prisms are probably a better bang for the buck, but like I said, these are more versatile. So we'll see. I'm going to set these up in a pattern on my desk, and then we will kind of see what they look like. I'm setting this up on the app, should be the exact same, so I'm not gonna go over that again. If you think you're gonna need help, if you're interested in purchasing this product and you want to learn how to set it up on the app, I do kind of go over that in my Monster Prism Light review, so go check that out. I'm gonna set this up. It's gonna be really simple. Just plug cables in, and then we will look at it over here. All right, before we get into the meat and potatoes of the video, I just want to give a huge shout out to my friend Budget Gadget. He's been supporting me basically since I've started my channel. He's given me a shout out on his channel. He comments on all of my videos. So you know what, if you're watching this, buddy, thanks for your support. It does not go unappreciated. If you are interested in tech reviews of like all sorts of gadgets, definitely click the card here, check him out. Great guy. Anyways, so I'm also going to announce the winner of the giveaway for the Cyber Acoustics microphone, the CVL 2009. So I didn't have as many entrants as I was expecting, but I am going to say Jiminy D'Oconnor. He comments on every single video I do. Huge supporter of the channel. Also, if you want to just hit me up on Twitter, I will get with you about shipping out the microphone. Okay, now back to the video. Okay, so this is a little awkward for me. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I first plugged it in, it did not work. So the AC adapter that came with the Digit was not working. So luckily I did have my AC adapter for the prism lights nearby, and it will work. As you can see on the screen, I've got a special pattern going right now. It's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice pattern. It's a custom pattern. We're gonna I'm assuming all of these are going to be the same as it was for the prism, but I do think the RGB is a little nicer on this, so we will kind of quickly go through them. Next, we've got Hypnotize. As you can see, it's a little bit, I think this is a little bit of a nicer RGB than the prism, but they are smaller. I think they're diffused a little bit better. I do have ideas for what I'm going to do with these when I finally get moved, but I'm not going to go over that just yet. So we'll go over to the next vortex. I am standing up right now, so if the camera is wobbly or if there's a lot of shift in my volume as I get closer and further away from the mic, I do apologize. This is not the perfect setup at all. Okay, next we're going to go to sunset. That's a pretty nice one. Very warm colors. I did turn off all the other lights in the room. Actually, I mean, that's not true. I do have some RGB lights still going. Anyways, there's sunrise. That's a pretty nice one too, actually. That's a pretty good one. I do like that one. Maybe I'll use that one instead of my custom one. Here is light speed. I don't know how true to life the colors on the video are going to be. This was the music reactive. Not going to do that one. Strobe light. Nope. Christmas themed, I guess. Festive is what it's called. A lot of green and reds. This is just a solid reddish color, I believe. This is just white lights. It says read, but it's just a white light. This is just a more cool white light. This is just blue. This one's pretty nice. I guess it's softly adjust between the purples. Colorful, this is just going to be your color shift. This is just like the rapid color shift instead of the fade. And then this is the gorgeous. So yeah, I mean, I think this is a pretty nice product. I think this, like I said, they're smaller than the prisms. But I think there is some merit to these. They're a little bit more versatile. You don't have to have them right on top of each other. You can space them out. And I do think there are ways to hide the cables so it's not as obnoxious. But, you know, if you're just standing it on the wall, this brick, you can't see it right here, but this little dangly bit is a little bit obnoxious and it will stick out like a sore thumb most of the time. But yep, that's gonna be it. There's not much else I'm gonna say about this. I do like this. You know what, I am gonna kind of reveal what I'm planning. So I'm gonna build like an acoustic panel, you know, with like wood and fabric, and I do kind of want to put a piece of metal behind the fabric and then have these magnetically stuck to it in a little design with the prism lights, if I could get an AC adapter that works, because that's actually really annoying only having one AC adapter and they connect to each other completely differently. So it's not like I could put them all together and have them on the same exact program. But anyways, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.